Fish, fish, fish. Oh, he dished me. Oh, he's there, he's there, he's there. Drop shot, drop shot. Got him.
You need help?
Nope, I got it. He flew up and grabbed it. Nice one too. Whoa. Look at that, man. Look at that rod go. Dude, he's tugging. Whoa. Might be a decent. Oh, jeez. Now he's peeling.
Got it.
Look at him go. Oh, look at him. He's peeling. He's peeling. Oh, Danny, look. He's going. He's going.
I got one too.
Let's go. Oh man, this guy's not coming out, guys. It's pretty big.
Oh yes.
Oh yeah. Man, check it out. Welcome back to another whitefish. Oh, jeez. Oh gosh, it's a nice one. Welcome back to another episode of Fishing with Ying. We are out here fishing for I didn't beat them up, guys. I dropped them for whitefish again. Completely smoked the gulp minnow, and we're just out here having a good time. Okay, I'm just gonna let him go. I'm gonna keep him anyways. But yeah, this may or may not be my last outing. I keep saying that, but I think it is. It's getting warm. It's about 40 degrees right now. I feel amazing in this sweater of mine, and yeah, we got us some whitefish. I don't know, just excited. I'm out here with my good friend Mang and my brother Danny. So, oh, he smoked that Widowmaker jig. Crazy. I'll show you guys what I'm using, but anyways, I'll see you guys out in the water. Beautiful fish. Yeah. Yeah, a lot has to do with the structure. If you're on like a nice flat, they'll pick it up. If you're on rocks, dude, it's gonna be hard. Bro, I'm so stuck, dude. No, fish, fish, fish.
Told you he's bad luck taking all our fish.
Alright guys, we got a second fish here. Hopefully I got it on action. Nice whitey, bloody, but you know how it goes. They're delicious. Smoke them, make Thai dish out of them. Delicious. Alright guys, so I'm gonna do some little cleanup here, some house stuff, and you guys can watch Danny fish. He is on fish. He got what, 2 so far?
2 so far.
And you guys can watch him fish while I
just
clean stuff around, put stuff in the sled. That way you can move, try to stay on some fish.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Alright, I'll try to catch something for the camera. Got it. Yep. Oh, popped off again. What? What the heck? Oh! Man.
That means there's a school here.
Help me.
Yep. Oh, that's a fighter.
Oh yeah, he's a fighter.
That's a big one.
Oh.
That's a whitefish. Oh, this guy's big, dude. This guy's
Really?
big. Yeah, yeah. Go, go, go. Real.
Oh my god.
He's pretty big.
This guy's huge.
Nah, he's okay. No. That's a pretty big one.
Dude, that's bad, man.
It broke, yeah, it broke. Yeah, put gold on. Why you take it? Oh, what? Bro, you broke me off. That was in a whitefish, bro. Whoa, school. Oh, this school came out of nowhere. Ming. I was just over there. Gee. On the drop shot. On the drop shot. There you go, guys. Nice pretty whitefish. 3 for me. Let's keep going. That's 3. Yo, congrats, I saw the school just lit up. Yeah.
Is this your whole?
He's got a smoke in it. Oh!
Oh, it came off.
What?
It just came off.
He's smoked
It
it.
came off.
Yeah, they're heavy. Yeah.
Oh, I get it. Because alright, so
It's deeper water. Yeah, so you want to keep it like right there, son.
Yeah.
Cook this out, yeah.
I've been raising it too high.
Yeah, don't raise it, yep. You got him though. Dang, what
Dude,
happened?
I don't know. I feel like there's nothing on it no more. It just came off.
No, yeah, you're good. Yeah, he's still. He just got lucky. He just popped off.
Dang. Okay. Yeah.
You know what I mean? Yeah, keep it
Yeah.
right at the bottom. Hold on. Yes. Ming got on a whitefish and it's a big one. Yo, dude, let's go. Good up, dude. Yeah.
Got it.
Good job.
Figured it out.
What'd you do?
Exactly how you said, bro.
Just on drop shot, right?
Yeah.
It's
It
like,
the
you
drop
looked
shot,
at it.
just flew right up.
There you go.
Just slammed it.
Yo, good stuff, bro. Yeah, like said my manua, you know, hit him in the head, so he stopped flapping around, and then, yeah, you see how strong they are, dude. There you go. Hey, first blood. All right, man, what you got going on there?
Man, I got some Costco Vietnamese Fire Instant.
That looks so good. Look at that. Hey,
Yeah.
zoom in, guys. So we're out here. We're just not fish, but we're making an instant pho. Man, look at that. Got some juicy stuff. We're catching fish, spanking them. My boy Ming. The other guy over there, whatever his name is.
Yeah. Okay, bro. You first.
Yeah, talking to Koda. Alright, so right now we're just kind of hanging out, warming up a little bit, get some food in our system, and Ming came in clutch with the pho, instant pho, Vietnamese pho. Show you guys right here. I've never done this before, but here we are doing it. Delicious. Exactly what you want when you're out here. Ooh, smells delicious, bro. good.
The best instant Vietnamese pho I ever had.
It's amazing. Balances with the cold so well. I didn't even know they sell this.
At Costco?
No, the sausage.
Oh yeah.
It's good. Pho and whitefish. I like that.
Oh my God, school. Oh,
School.
big. Where?
Oh, dude, those are you. They're coming. Jake. Hard.
I can't.
Hard. Up.
Oh my God.
Dude, they're huge. He's coming. Jake, hard.
Oh my God. Dude, what the? I'm freaking out.
He's coming. They're coming down. Oh my God, you gotta hold it still. Feel it.
Oh
Mang, there's like,
Oh God.
there's like 20. It's like 20 on. He got it. He ate it. No?
You did?
I don't know. Feel it. Yeah, he's on.
Oh my God.
Dude, there was like 20 on here.
Look at that. Oh my gosh.
Nice fish, dude.
Beautiful, man.
Good stuff. Yo! All on underwater camera right there. Yeet.
Alright. Now.
He's coming to you. Dead. You got it.
Big Nick had it. You got.
Nope, he doesn't have it. I know when you got it. You just feel it.
Dude, that's a big one.
He's sizing up. Dead. You're doing too much. Tap.
I am. No, he missed.
He missed. It's okay. He missed. Yep. He's coming back. Got him. Yeah.
Oh, he's running.
Let him run.
Sorry.
Don't make a weird noise. He is darting, dude. Real. Yep. He's darting.
Bro.
He's darting. Yep. Go. Keep going. Yep. Oh, it's a big one.
Is it?
No, he's not fitting.
Yep.
He's stuck. Let him go down. Let him go. Yeah, follow him. Yeah. Now bring it up. Yeah.
Oh yeah. Do the honors.
There you go. That's it right there, guys. Underwater whitefish fishing. Good job, bro. Yeah, he's got my line, but it's okay. Yeah, I just realized that this very ending clip right here, I didn't plug in the mic, so there's no audio. So I pretty much dumped the fish in front of Danny because I thought it was funny. Yeah, but anyways, the audio was off. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate you guys watching this video. So this was just a fun outing with my friend Ming and Danny. We didn't plan anything. We just said, hey, let's pack up, let's go out and do some white fishing. Ming is a very good friend of mine. He is my mentor in life and fishing and a lot of stuff that I do. He's like a big brother to me and I love him. He's an awesome guy. So fist bump to you, bro. Thanks for teaching me a lot. Everything that I know is because of this guy right here. I almost didn't want to drop this video because I didn't want people to go out there this weekend. Why? It's because when we were fishing this area, we realized that the ice is getting really soft. So Lake Michigan is not holding up anymore. There's huge cracks. Ice is softer in the shallow area. We noticed that when we were drilling in the deeper water, the ice was still, you know, it was pretty firm. It was hard. It was tough. Gave the auger a couple, you know, it was thick pretty much. It was still like 20 inches. But when we moved up to like 15, 20 feet of water, we realized that the ice was a lot softer. And that's because throughout the day is longer, it's warmer. The rocks are warming up, the current's pushing back and forth. We're losing a lot of ice really quick. So I don't recommend anyone to go out there right now. I wouldn't go out there. So this is my last outing. Other than that, it was awesome. Had a great time with my friend. We cooked out there. We just hung out pretty much, had a great outing. Oh, by the way, you guys are watching from the Sony A7C. Let me know what you guys think. I actually like it. It was very crispy. It was time consuming setting up, but it gave me a different perspective. I hope you guys like this new view. I try not to go with the whole GoPro perspective. I wanted to give you guys a different angle pretty much and show the whole concept of what's going on. So if you guys dig this stuff, leave some comments down below. Give me a thumbs up if you guys like it. If you guys don't, I guess thumbs down. thank you for your input. Yeah, so with that being said, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I sure did. I loved this outing because I was just with like my favorite people. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe, leave some comments down below, hit that thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next outing.
Peace.